back to my YouTube channel. So this is my friend.
Hi guys.
Long time friend, guys. Besties.
I can't believe I'm doing this.
So we're going out to this guest house. It's very nice. I mean, the last time I came here was really nice. So I thought I should take you in. Oh guys, that is my school. That one down there. That's why I used to school from primary to high school. I love that school. It's international. So guys, this is the place we're at. It's very fancy now. It's so nice. The last time I came here, it wasn't like this. Let's
after vlogging.
Okay guys.
Just taking more.
I'm taking a vlog. Dar. Check in, check out. It's actually a guest house, guys. Like this, an extra restaurant. So guys, this is it. Chilean place. This is the only Chilean place. Hey, this is this side. Smell guy. Welcome to the restaurant side. Oh my god, it's so improved. It's so nice. The last time I came here, I'll probably show you a picture of the last time I came here. But this was not here. I mean, this was there, but
Where do you want to sit?
Wow. Okay. I am loving the look. It's actually nice.
I love it too.
Yeah, but I'm yet to look at the menu and see the service. You're so pretty. Oh my god, you're so pretty.
What's all along? I thought we're going to say hi, Qhanolla.
Hi, Qhanolla. Hi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Anything you want, my love. Anything you want. Qhanolla. That's how you pronounce it. Qhanolla. And then they have. Alright.
Let me just look at this first.
Oh no.
This is just pizza. I'm not gonna eat pizza.
Oh no, I don't like pizza. I don't want pizza now. For real though, I don't want pizza.
Why did you just push the menu like that?
Okay, I love the. I got really expensive in Algeria.
It's so
Okay, but this is like same, almost the same. But meals that are not really so nice, they're really expensive. But I hope one bangs.
I can't believe it.
That Nuku is on a vlog.
Yeah, I didn't think you were so serious about this whole vlogging thing.
Girl, you're so pretty. Lighting in here. Oh my god.
Who drank him?
I mean, not always we are.
Oh
guys, my video give us for those who don't know, and that's
look, what are you eating?
I didn't even look at the menu
Spaghetti
myself.
bolognese? No, not today. Today I want something meaty, but I'm very hungry. My little chicken stripes and strips.
I'm hungry too. Please.
Come on.
Last time Narinkile doing zile chips and
pork.
Oh, I had pork the first day I got home.
Wait, you eat pork? Oh yeah. Here, I'll put it later. Come on, Hannah, such a pork.
We are super eating.
I'm trying to remember.
So guys, I'm already complaining about the service. I've already said what I want to have, but no one is here.
Alright.
Oh, but wings, now I'm so hungry today. Oh.
No.
Can I have apple juice too?
What else do you have?
What do you think?
Apple juice, but I just want to After a long time. Clear juice. Clear apple.
I don't even know what that is.
Apple.
No, clear.
Apple juice. Vanilla.
Apple ties.
Apple ties.
It's not like pillow. Look Yeah, she's very hungry.
I think I didn't eat breakfast after that. Can you just check?
Guys, 20 minutes late and I'm still waiting. But I'm only liking because the place is nice and I have a friend.
And we're catching up.
Catching up a lot of things. But apart from that, she's already digging in. She is so hungry. Okay, this meat looks nice. Everything looks nice. It was worth the wait.
Everything looks nice.
Yeah. So
Everything's actually nice.
we can dig in. Oh yeah. I'm done, guys. And she finished even the whole plate.
I knew you wanted to do something. I knew it.
Okay, my meal was very nice. I love the chips so much. The
was so nice.
oh, what do you call this? The pork. Yeah, it was nice. It was really nice.
It was just a bit overdone.
But a bit overdone, but it was really nice. And my vegetables were very fresh.
And I'm so like,
Her wings
I'm just gonna sleep.
were very nice.
And they were not very cheap.
Yeah.
So she let the pay, guys. She ate 2 of my wings.
Also, I don't lie.
And she didn't take a video.
Yeah. Ugh, it's so nice being around as well. Being around my friends. So this is our mom. Hi guys. So we are off now. Someone is taking. It's a video. Signing out. Engineer is signing out. She's an engineer. I'm an engineer. So bye guys.